This is the 2-hold couch table. If so, check out the 2-hold, a couch table. It comes with 3 containers for snacks and 1 for a glass. It has a place for your napkin in front and for a bag of chips in back. And if you're also one of those types who likes to surf Reddit while watching Netflix, the 2-hold also includes a laptop tray, complete with mouse pad and yet another cup holder. This modular gadget should have everything the couch potato in you wants. 2HOLD is made for the maximum comfort during watching the movies, playing the console, or working on your laptop. Enough space between the console and your legs makes you feel good and comfortable. This is the Metmo Driver. Metmo Driver is a compact, high-torque tool that blends engineering history with modern-day materials and manufacturing techniques, made for designers, engineers, thinkers, and anyone who wants to just take a moment to focus, relieve stress, or just play around. Metmo Driver is both a powerful and versatile tool, and amazingly fun to fiddle with. Each component interlocks perfectly for compact storage in your desk or toolbox, and can be quickly put to work when focus is lacking or a job needs doing. This is such a very amazing gadget and available on Amazon. You can easily buy this. This is the Bug-Eye 360-degree floating compass, a 360-degree floating compass that fits in the palm of your hand and helps you find your way around. It is made of brass or titanium. There are 2 ways to read the compass. The top side has the cardinal points, while the side cards shows the direction of travel. This liquid-filled compass is waterproof and sand-resistant, whatever your next adventure holds. The Bug-Eye is durable enough to see you to your destination. The Bug-Eye compass is liquid-filled with high-sensitivity encapsulation technology. Its base is made of durable grade 5 titanium or solid brass. Often referred to as timeless materials, the Bug-Eye is as compact as it is clever. This is the SumJet Portable Handheld Dry Cleaner. SumJet is a new handheld hygienic cleaning system, which is launched by Kickstarter this month, providing a dry cleaner that removes the need to iron your clothes and offers chemical-free cleaning at an affordable price. Why take your clothes to a traditional high-street dry cleaner when you can clean your clothes in the comfort of your own home for a fraction of the price? SumJet cleans and purifies everything from delicate clothing, keyboard to your motorcycle helmet through superheated ultrafine mist. Some eliminates dirt, stain and bad odor, yet doesn't damage the clothing, for it passes through in just a split second. SumJet requires only clean water to work, makes it 100% chemical-free. With its compact size, you can bring it with you on the trip to keep things fresh. Some is dry and moisture-free. It evaporates quickly and will not get your items wet. This is the AOHI Custom Length USB cable, set for fast charging. Take control of charging your devices, no matter where life takes you, with AOHI's custom length cable set. Build your perfect cable in seconds with Easy Connect technology that gives you the length needed to charge all of your devices. The universally compatible USB-C to 40 West TD 3.1 Lightning fast charging cable gives you the freedom to charge phones, laptops, and other devices, even in long distances up to 2.6 meters from the outlet. Flexible, wear-resistant material offers unprecedented durability. Packaged in a stylish and protective silicone case, AOHI keeps your cables in place and your pocket or backpack tidy. Experience the future of faster, tiddier charging with AOHI. This gonna to be great for people that accidentally unplug their cables or just want some high-speed and high-quality cables to charge their phones.